Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project sharing with you guys these super cute little felt keychains that I made using the keychain die from AliExpress. And if you guys don't remember, I have a video showing you guys when I made some in paper form using, I think it's the All Heart collection. So I decided to try it out on some felt, and as you guys know, I partnered up with ARTEZA a few months back, and they had sent me tons, you guys. Let me show you. Let me move these. Tons of felt. Look at this. Every color you could think of. So of course, you guys know that I get sent tons of stuff, and it's sometimes hard to remember to use everything, but I've been meaning to use this felt, and there's a whole bunch of other dies that I want to cut out of this, but this is a great deal, you guys. I'm going to link it down below so you guys can go check it out. But I chose these three colors for the keychains, and the little ring binders that I chose are from AliExpress. Everything will be linked down below. And it's these that we use on tag flips. I just thought the colors would look fun instead of using my regular gold ones or my rose gold ones. So I used the colored ones, and let me show you what they look like. Look at this bright neon. Isn't this so cool? I love this color. And then, you guys, what I did was, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but if you do, I showed you guys that I found this jar in my stash, and I filled it with a bunch of embellishments that you guys have sent me in past challenges. And I just been using them and putting them on stuff. So I decided to take 3 little pieces out of the jar and add them to keychains. So this is the first one. How cute is that? Look at that little swan. And then I stitched on the top. There's no stitching anywhere else. And then that's the back. So cute. And then we have this one, which was like a rosette little embellishment that I was sent. Some stitching up here. And that's the back. Super cute. And then the last one is this hot pink, also stitched up top. This one, you guys, I actually stitched all the way around it, but it was such a pain in the neck I didn't do it with the other ones, so I just kept it simple. Next time I think I'll hand stitch it. Since it has like the little holes, I think I'll hand stitch it. I'll like that look better. But look at the little embellishment. I love it. Look at that. I think they turned out super cute, you guys, and you should try cutting your die cuts on some felt, especially this felt from ARTEZA. It's these are the colors that I used. Look at this neon, you guys. Super bright. I was going to do orange. Look at that. I love it. I love the vibrancy of the colors, and it's a variety. You have the soft, like movable felt, and then you have that stiff one that doesn't go anywhere. So it's a great variety pack. Definitely go check them out. I'm gonna have a link down below. Also gonna have the little hooks that I put on them, so you guys can check that out. But yeah, that was my quick little video just to showcase these cute little keychains that I made. Stay tuned for my next video, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.